Memory unit. A memory unit is a component in a computer or digital device that stores data and instructions for processing. It serves as a critical element for the functioning of the device, as it holds the information needed for tasks and operations. Memory units are broadly categorized as RAM, random access memory, and ROM, read-only memory. Understanding RAM and ROM. Let us take an example of a whiteboard in a classroom where the teacher writes notes and solves problems during a lesson. Students use it to work on tasks, but once the class is over, the whiteboard is erased to make space for the next session. Now think of the printed textbooks the students use during the class. The information in these books is permanent and does not change. Students can refer to the books anytime for the knowledge they contain. RAM is like the whiteboard. It provides temporary space for ongoing tasks and is cleared when no longer needed, whereas ROM is like the textbook. It holds fixed, unchanging information that remains available even when the class or school day ends. Flash memory is like a notebook that students use to write down important notes during the lesson. It stores data permanently but can be rewritten or updated when needed. Unlike the whiteboard, RAM, the notebook retains the information even after the class ends and can be carried home for further use. Students can also erase and update the notes whenever needed, making it reusable. Types of memory storage devices. Memory storage devices are essential components of digital devices used to store and manage data. They come in various types based on their functionality, permanence, and usage. Below are the key types and their differences. Aspect. RAM, random access memory. ROM, read-only memory. Type. Volatile memory. Non-volatile memory. Non-volatile memory. Data retention. Data is lost when power is off. Data is permanently stored and cannot be erased easily. Data is retained even without power. Usage. Temporary storage for active tasks and processes. Stores firmware or essential system instructions. Portable, rewritable storage for files and data. Speed. Very fast read-write speeds. Slower than RAM but faster for reading than writing. Slower than RAM but faster than hard drives. Examples. Running applications, multitasking. Bootloader, BIOS, basic input-output system used for starting the computer. USB drives, memory cards, SSDs. Rewritability. Fully rewritable. Not typically rewritable, SOMIM types are. Easily rewritable. Power dependency. Requires constant independent of power for data storage. Independent of power for data storage. Common use cases. Multitasking, temporary file handling, cache memory. Storing permanent firmware and system data. Storing user data like photos, videos, and files. Motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board in a computer or electronic device. It serves as the central hub that connects all the essential components, enabling them to communicate and work together. These components include the processor, CPU, memory, RAM, storage devices, graphics cards, and input-output devices like keyboards and USBs.